All right, what's going on, guys? Today I wanted to show you guys how I shoot with the PavoTube 30C Mark II, which is behind me here. I know these lights are used a lot for music videos, but I wanted to bring you guys along on a photo shoot with me to show you how I light this portrait session. So let's bring this in. It might be kind of a situation where we bring it over here. All right, so we're gonna go with red lighting here, because red is my favorite. There we go, look at that. It's already left on red, that's how you know. Yeah, stand in there real quick, Jordan. Let's see what it's looking like. So you would definitely be closer to this light, like more over here. It's like a half red. Come out here. A little bit more. I know it's gonna be a little crazy, but this could also be turned up too. All right, so this is how I'm gonna be using these lights. Obviously you see we have a 2-light setup. We have red in the back and we have white right here. And we're really using the white to light up the skin just to get accurate skin tones. And we're using this red light here to light up the background because red is my favorite color and it's looking really sick for these photos. We got some Portra 400. I'm gonna be shooting some 35mm and some 120 on the Mamiya and maybe some digital. So much easier doing it this way. Where's my 50mm? Right there. The old 50? Yeah. This lens, bro, has been with me for probably my whole career. It's my second one, actually. That's how you know I've loved this for so long, but it's cheap and it's like professional looking. What does that light look like though? Or wait, 250? No, oh, you're good. Okay, I can still shoot these handheld. All right, so we got that loaded up. We're gonna also shoot some CINESTILL. So let me load this up real quick. Definitely need that. Okay. All right, I think we're pretty much good. Yeah. Let's shoot some shit. So for this shot, I'm gonna take my first shot on the Mamiya. It's medium format. We have some CINESTILL 800T in here. And if you look at the scene, this is looking super thumbnail-y, and I'm liking that. So yeah, so we're gonna try to get the wide shot on film right now. Then we'll get some close-ups here in a second. So yeah, bro, I like that. Maybe even looking down with your eyes, but like chin straight. So turn your head straight. Yeah, yep, even like that. Yeah, that's fire. Okay, let me get focus here. This one is a little slower, so just bear with me. 3, 2, hold it, hold it. Yeah, you're good, you're good. All right, so we're gonna try another one. I'm gonna scoot back just a bit on the medium format again. Let's switch up the pose. I think a sideways stance could be hard. Okay, Jordan, I do wanna see a little bit more of your face though. Just mirror yourself. Face that way and take another step backward into the red, towards the garage door. I kind of like how the red's hitting the top. Hand in the back pocket maybe. I like that, it's a little different. Just move your head around, I'll tell you where to stop. Just keep looking around the white light, right there. Stay just like that, hold that. Got focus, and 3, 2, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Okay, you're good. We had the white light going through your shades. It looks sick. Hopefully we can lock it in. Actually, I'm just gonna shoot one right here, actually. I got the 35 on me. I got the 35 on me. I forgot. So what are we gonna be at? Oh, 180? Easy. So I'm basically just trying to get that thumbnail shot on 35mm, just in case if the 120, if I miss focus or not. We'll see. All right, brother, here we go. 3, 2, got that. Let's do one more going this way. 3, 2, let's definitely try to get a little bit more white light on you. Yep. I'm gonna get another wide shot. Actually, I'm gonna take a step back here. Yeah, let's do like hands on the bag. Let's try to incorporate the bag a little bit. Yeah, like that. It's very, very careless. I like that. That's a good stance. Okay. Nah, the red split is fire. Chin up and looking out towards the building this way. Yes, sir. 3, 2. Nice. I was feeling that. So now we're gonna move the medium format up, try to get some close-ups here. So now let's get another shot on the medium format here. Let's try that out, that looks good. All right, here we go. 3, 2, hold it, hold it, hold it. Okay, that did it. Fire. And look more towards the white light. Yeah, fire, fire. Yep, hold that. And 3, 2, nice. Yeah. Yeah, I know.
Fucking sniper hold.
You have to. It's like I cannot risk having a shake because every shot's like $2 or $3. You know, it's something stupid. Yeah. Yeah. So on the R5, it's obviously fucking free every shot.
You can do whatever the hell you want to do.
Yeah, exactly. Another lighting setup that you can do is if you take a couple more steps back, you can get some spill from the red light here and keep the white light on you. That way you have some accurate skin tones here, but you have some color here to also play around with. Let's go more red. Let's have you back over this way. Actually get forward. Who? You. Oh, a little step back. I know, I was like, this is
knees touching or something?
I thought they were talking about you too. I'm like, this is a pretty chill look. Yeah, we just shoot.
Some weird shit to do. Like, you got some inspo?
Yeah, facts. You got a whole mood board over there, Liv? Like, damn. We're just cooking over here. Don't mind us. And have you look into the lens. 3, 2. Okay, nice. I'm just gonna get some wider shots real quick.
Can I get on the wall?
Yeah, go ahead. See what that's looking like. Yeah. Smooth. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, and nice. Down a little bit. Yeah, about right there. Yeah, and I'll go this way. Chin down a little. Chin up a little. Yep, right there. All right. 3, 2, 1. Just come up here a little bit more. I want the white light on you with the red background now. So go over this way. Yeah, look down. I wonder if there's like something you can like pull these apart or some shit. Like get like fucking weird with it.
Like, yeah.
I want to see that. Yeah, fuck it, because that might be actually sick. Okay, hold on. I love that. Take a step back though and go this way. Yeah. Yeah, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, and okay, hard. All right, let's put this up. Let's shoot some 35mm. We definitely got some cool, creative shots with that. I'm feeling really good about these. This is feeling sick. I'm glad we found like this is like a setting I would literally shoot too, which is great. Like we didn't settle for less, which I love. Yeah, let's incorporate the bag a little bit more and then untuck your shirt from that side behind the bag. It's just a little rolled up. Yeah, there you go. Yep, 3, 2, 1. Try some shit like down here and then come over this way a little bit more. Oh, wait. Look back over that way. 3, 2. Look a little bit more this way, towards the light. Chin down, right up a little bit, right there. Hold that. 3, 2. Whoa.
Oh. Whoa.
That one, hopefully it turns out it looked insane in my viewfinder, like some futuristic shit. Step over this way a little bit. Let me see what that looks like. Fuck, the side light's looking tough, huh?
Nice.
I do want to see, can you shift towards me? Just want to see how it lights your face evenly. That's nice too. Turn a little bit more this way back. I like that. That's cool. Okay. I have that lighting you behind, so now I can see through your hair. Now you have a nice pink behind you, and this is giving you a whole nother light. Whereas like if you just had one light just on me, it's so flat. Right. So you don't need 2 lights. What I'm saying is like use the window light to your advantage. Like use lights that are like, the iPhone specifically does really good in bright fucking lighting.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Or like during sunset time. Okay. So like, for example, like these, I just edited these photos, but I shot these on my iPhone. Like I shot this.
What phone do you have?
I just have the 14 Pro. And I shot these, but it's because the lighting was so good that you can...
You have like, that's like the type of photos at the Apple store.
Yeah.
They're like, this was taken with iPhone, and I'm like, what iPhone?
Yeah, exactly.
Skyler and an iPhone.
This is, yeah, no, literally. That's what Apple does. They get real photographers.
Oh, yeah.
They have to.
Most definitely.
For sure.
They're using like attachments too on...
Right, because my
like,
pictures...
Shit, I don't use attachments.
So you're not using no attachments.
Honestly, all this was shot and edited completely on my phone. I just use the app to color it and call it a day. So it's a good light. That's really what it is. All right, Apple, look, like after hearing that conversation, I've been using your products for like 12 years shooting photos. So let me show you some photos here real quick. Are you convinced? No, but for real, I love you guys, and let's shoot something, please. All right. Cool, how you feeling? You good? Good. Okay, fire. So yeah, let's just do some like, you can maybe hold the bag up a little bit. Let me see it, like, let's see what that looks like. Chin down a little. Yeah, I like eyes over there. 3, 2, and 1, okay. Let me see a little closer. Like that. Can you look into the lens? Yeah, right there, that's fire. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, these look sick. I'll take one this way. Yeah, I like the hand in there, it's cool. And I do think maybe looking off more that way. Yep, like that. Yep. 3, 2, and chin down a little. Yep, right there, that's a face right there. 3, a little bit more sass in the eyes. Come on, you got it. There you go. Yeah. 3, 2, hey.
Turn it on.
that was sick.
Turn off the camera right.
That was tough. Let's have you take a couple steps back.
Just turn it on.
Yeah. So now we're getting a little bit of pink on you, which I do like that. Okay, is it possible on that side to make your hair like a little bit more poofy? Because this side is a little bit more, and I like the symmetry of it. Should we put those glasses on her and just, would you be okay with wearing them? Let's see what.
Clean them with your shirt.
Okay, let's just see what these look like, because they could.
Make it fire.
Yeah, they could make it or break it. We'll see. All right, so take a little step back that way. Right there. Let me see you. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Can you bring it like under your chin in the middle? Let me just see what. Yeah, something like that. Chin down. And looking over there. 3, 2, 1. I think, wait, okay. Can you stand like this and let me just see how I can position you? A little step back. Right there. Let me see what that looks like. Because I didn't even get the star on the skirt, but that shit looks tough too. 3, 2. All right, so now let's try to go like down, I think, yeah, stuff like this. But what we'll do is have you like this. Okay, looking into the lens actually. 3, 2, 1, okay, that was fire. Let's have you go up against the door. A little bit that way. Kind of mix the lighting here. I like that. A little two-tone. Yep, that's fire. 3, 2, 1. Let me see you go chin up a little bit. And take your hands and like put them on the sides. Here we go. 3. Look right into the lens. 3, 2. 3, 2, okay. And let me get, oh yeah, okay. Let me get some wide shots on the film. We did on the phones, I forgot. And can you take a step to your left for me? Yep, right there, that's perfect. Yeah, sick. 3, 2, 1. Three, 2, 1, and look off over that way. Yeah, perfect. 3, 2, 1. Okay, cool. Can we get some like y'all two together maybe?
Of course. I know she would love that. No, I would love that too.
I would love that too. Let's just let's do it. 3, 2, 1, and zoomed in. 3, 2, and tough. Hey, how are you? Oh, really? Oh, we need permits or something? Yeah. Okay, gotcha. Okay, here we go. Hold still, hold still, hold still. Okay, you're good. Come up to the other light here. Okay, and here we go. 3, 2, and hold it. Okay, it was a little slow. Come up a little bit closer now. Either that or I'll come to you. How many shots you got? We still got 2 or 3 more. Looking sick. Okay. Let me lock in, focus. Okay, right there. Okay. And here we go. 3, 2. Hold it. We're gonna shoot some handheld. I just have like, what is this shot now? Okay, so I'll get 1 more of you, and then we'll grab 2 more of Jordan, and then on the other camera I have 6 shots, so 3 each. So we're getting there, we're on the home stretch. 3, 2, oh my God. That's gonna be shaky as fuck, I already know it. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Okay, fire. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, that felt very solid. All right. You crushed it, you crushed it. And we'll shoot, let me see, this camera. So again, we have 3 shots each. So you wanna just kill your 3 real quick? You can do the same thing, just right there. Yes, yes. Let's just do 1 here and we'll do the other 2 over there.
Okay.
Yeah, no, I appreciate you mentioning it. Let me know. All right, so yeah, I'll do a close-up, so come back up here, and then we'll do a wide here, and then we'll do the golf cart. And take a little step back right there. And then Jordan, let me see what that light looks like on top. Yeah, right there. No, I think this should be more like bad. Like, maybe like cross your shit. Yeah, tilt your chin a little bit more. Tilt it. That way, yeah. Okay, all right, and here we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, and then 1 wide shot. So actually have you go back a little bit too. You're fine. Yeah, appreciate that. A little bit further back, sorry.
Shit, I'm gonna be in that too.
No, you're good. All right, and here we go, Ken. 3, 2, and fire. Let's hit that golf cart. Okay. Hold that shit, hold that shit. Let me lock in here. 3, 2, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Okay, got that. Let me shoot it on this now. I know. You got it, you got it. All right. Okay. Here we go. And 3, 2, 1. Got it.
What poses are we thinking?
So for these, it's either you can like pull these apart and look into the lens. Go down like this. Yeah. Chin up a little right there. Yeah, this is doing a lot. This is cool. All right, cool. Here we go. 3, 2, and a little slow, but it wasn't that bad. And we got 1 more actually. So
Is this the final shot?
I think so, yeah. And lean down to me a little bit. Yeah, I like that. Yep. 3, 2, and
Put it next to your mic.
Man, that's a great sound, man.
oh yeah, it's done.
It's done.
36 shots and a whole roll of 120.
And just like that.
And we
out.
done.
Yeah, that shit's fire.